Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. If you are new, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss the next video. In the shadowy realm of military aviation, one aircraft stands alone, a phantom that haunts the skies, almost defying belief. It's a machine that looks like it flew straight out of a science fiction movie, a symbol of technological dominance and stealth. This is the story of the B-2 Spirit, the most advanced and expensive bomber ever built. How did this incredible flying wing come to be, and what makes it the ghost of the battlefield? The journey of the B-2 began in the darkest days of the Cold War. The United States needed an aircraft that could penetrate the most sophisticated and heavily defended Soviet airspaces, completely undetected. The goal was audacious: create a long-range strategic bomber that was virtually invisible to radar. This wasn't just an upgrade, it was a revolution in aviation. The program, known as the Advanced Technology Bomber Project, was shrouded in extreme secrecy. For years, the public knew nothing of its existence. Northrop, a company with a rich history in flying wing designs dating back to the 1940s with Jack Northrop's prototypes, won the contract. They poured billions of dollars and countless hours of research into creating a shape and using materials that would absorb and deflect radar waves, making the aircraft a tiny blip on an enemy's screen if it showed up at all. Finally, in 1988, the world got its first glimpse of the future. Rolled out of its top-secret hangar in Palmdale, California, the B-2 Spirit was unlike anything ever seen before. Its sleek, bat-like silhouette, with no vertical tail fin, was a radical departure from traditional aircraft design. The crowd was stunned into silence. A year later, on July 17, 1989, it gracefully took to the skies for its maiden flight, proving that this futuristic concept was a reality. The era of true stealth had officially begun, and the rules of aerial warfare were about to be rewritten. So, what are the secrets behind this incredible machine? Let's break down the specs. The B-2 Spirit has a massive wingspan of 172 feet, exactly the same as its predecessor, the B-52, yet its unique design gives it the radar cross-section of a small bird. It's powered by 4 General Electric F-118 engines, buried deep within its wings to mask their heat signature from infrared sensors. This allows the B-2 to fly at high subsonic speeds, just under the speed of sound, with an unrefueled range of over 6,000 nautical miles. With aerial refueling, its reach becomes truly global, capable of striking any target on Earth from its home base in Missouri and returning nonstop. The B-2 can soar to altitudes of 50,000 feet, flying above most weather and air defenses. It's a marvel of engineering, a perfect blend of aerodynamic efficiency and low observability. But what truly makes the B-2 a Spirit is its stealth capability. It's not just one feature, it's a symphony of technologies working together. The aircraft's smooth, flowing surfaces have no sharp angles that can reflect radar signals back to their source. The leading edges of the wings are razor sharp, and the entire airframe is coated in a special, top-secret radar-absorbent material. This skin acts like a sponge, soaking up radar energy rather than bouncing it back. Even the cockpit glass is treated with a thin layer of gold to block electromagnetic waves. Every single detail, from the engine intakes to the exhaust nozzles, is meticulously designed to minimize its signature across the entire electromagnetic spectrum, including radar, infrared, and visual detection. It's a true ghost in the machine. Inside the cockpit, a crew of 2, a pilot and a mission commander, operate this $2 billion aircraft. The advanced, glass cockpit is a testament to automation, allowing the small crew to manage complex missions that would have required 5 or 6 crew members on older bombers. But the B-2 isn't just a stealthy scout, it's a heavy hitter. It features 2 internal bomb bays, capable of carrying up to 40,000 pounds of ordnance. This payload can be a mix of conventional weapons, like hundreds of 500-pound bombs, or precision-guided munitions, like the GPS-guided dams. Most critically, the B-2 is a key part of America's nuclear triad, capable of delivering nuclear weapons with pinpoint accuracy. This dual capability makes it one of the most versatile and feared assets in the U.S. Air Force. The B-2 Spirit first proved its worth in combat during Operation Allied Force in 1999 over Kosovo. Flying nonstop from Whiteman Air Force Base in Missouri, The B-2s flew 30-hour missions, penetrating dense Serbian air defenses without a single loss or even being tracked. They delivered the first wave of strikes, destroying critical command centers and air defense sites, paving the way for other, less stealthy aircraft. In the opening nights of the war in Afghanistan and the invasion of Iraq, the B-2 once again led the charge, flying some of the longest bombing missions in history. Its ability to strike high-value targets with impunity on the very first night of a conflict is a capability that no other aircraft possesses. The B-2 doesn't just fight wars, it changes how they are fought. Despite its incredible success, the B-2 program was drastically cut short. Originally, the Air Force planned to buy 132 of these bombers. But with the end of the Cold War and the staggering cost, over $2 billion per aircraft, including development, the program was capped at just 21 planes. One was tragically lost in an accident in 2008, leaving a fleet of only 20 Spirits today. This small number makes each B-2 an incredibly precious national asset, meticulously maintained and guarded. They represent the absolute pinnacle of 20th century aerospace technology, a testament to what's possible when you push the boundaries of science and engineering. As we look to the future, the spirit of innovation continues. The B-2's successor, the B-21 Raider, is already in development, building upon the lessons learned from the Spirit. But for now, the B-2 continues its silent watch, a fleet of phantoms ready to answer the call at a moment's notice. It remains a powerful symbol of American air power, a silent guardian that can reach out and touch an adversary anywhere in the world, completely unseen and unopposed. It is, and will remain for some time, the master of the skies. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the B-2 Spirit. If you enjoyed this look at one of history's most amazing aircraft, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Let us know in the comments what piece of technology you'd like us to explore next. Until then, fly safe.